What are you doing?
Oh, I was just playing on this butterfly.
That's the monument of our clan.
Oh, I've heard about the clans. Sorry if I was in your territory.
Well, you are.
Oh, sorry.
She looks familiar. Hey, you kind of look familiar.
Everybody that I meet said that I kind of looked like my mom.
Who was your mom?
Her name was Breeze.
You mean Breeze Pelt?
No, Breeze.
Just a Breeze?
Yeah, she never told me that she had a different name.
Well, I think your mother was in a clan.
Oh, no wonder she knew so much about the clans. Do you have any idea who my dad was?
Yes.
Who?
Me.
Dad. I'm proud to have you as a dad. You look like you could take anybody down.
By the way, my name is Lionclaw.
Well, I don't really have a name.
Mm.
My memory was kinda lost when Mom got killed by the dogs.
I think that you would make a great apprentice for me to be your mentor.
You mean in a clan?
Yes.
But I've always called myself Whisper.
Maybe Whisper Paw.
Maybe. I want to show you something.
What?
Follow me. This is my nest. I've had to rebuild it a few times, and I had a flower that was held down by a rock, but it somehow blew away. But I usually just stay here. Oh, and I want to show you something else that I found.
Okay.
Look, these weird big stones with writing on them. There's another one this way.
I could say what it says.
What?
It says, "Rest in peace, Olive." So maybe a cat or a warrior named Olive.
What does that say?
Rest in peace, Blue. Maybe another cat.
What's over there? That one you can't quite read.
Let me see. Here lies Twitch. There's a weird button back here too, or whatever it's called.
Is it a two-leg thing?
I think so.
Are you okay?
Yeah. Just fell off the log.
We shouldn't mess with two-leg things.
Yeah.
You coming?
I was just thinking about that two-leg thing. We might make it a use for our clan.
You can always come back for it.
I know.
I found this giant tree.
That's the great butterfly tree. Want to climb it? Have fun and climb it. Do you know how to climb?
A branch fell on me one time.
Of this?
Yeah. I can try.
I'll watch you and make sure you don't fall.
Okay.
You got it?
I'm okay.
Come on, onto this branch. We could walk up it. Then come up here.
I'm gonna rest.
Okay.
It's quite a big tree.
Yeah. Maybe this could be a new camp.
Maybe like a hideout or something?
Yeah.
Like when other clans come to attack you, you could hide up in this tree.
Yeah. Let's jump down. Like right here.
I'm not sure if I can go all the way down there. We should head home, though. Are you gonna go back to your clan or stay the night with me?
I'll stay the night.
Come.
I'll tell my clan that I'm off somewhere to do something. Like venture off and see if there's
Night hunting?
Yeah, night hunting, that's what. I
Okay.
have to come back with prey.
Yeah. Come on.
Okay.
Is it comfy? I can always collect more moss and stuff.
Yeah. Here.
Good night.
Right.